Okay, so for an IFA firm, it's about the strength of the overall end-to-end proposition for clients. So exceptional money management, 11-year track record, all housed within a really simple process. Because we've got 9 firms within the Beaufort Group, we're able to demonstrate very specifically the time and cost savings for advisors and staff. Yeah, it certainly does. We think you can get measurable value in 4 ways. First of all, you can own a realisable value stake in a growing DFM within Beaufort. Second of all, you get to sell your own IFA firm, uninterfered with by Beaufort, except that because you're part of our club, when an acquirer comes along, you'll benefit from something called collective scale. That just means an uplift of up to 40%, a real figure that an accountancy firm has shared with us for being part of a larger collective scale of an IFA group. The third reason is you'll get less of a discount in value in your business, which is important when you come to sell, because of a gold standard of compliance within Beaufort. So this means that actually it's like having a great logbook in your car or a good MOT. And finally, month by month, every single month that goes by, you'll get greater profitability through the Beaufort Group because of our bulk buying and reduction in costs as a bigger group. So you'll get great benefits. Yeah, it's a great feel. So in our head office in Westerham, it's got a very productive feel to it and also excellent staff around the different offices. And what we love is being able to talk to IFAs and see what they're trying to achieve and show them how we can solve their problems. We've got a hugely respected board of directors and also some very talented non-executive and highly experienced non-executive directors, helping to steer the direction of the Beaufort Group. So this is good. So it's actually very flexible. So the first thing is you can become a fully fledged appointed representative or AR of the Beaufort Group. So the whole shebang, you get your risk looked after, your life is easier, hassles are reduced, you pay for services. At the other end of the scale, in a different direction, where perhaps you're a little less close to Beaufort, but we still look after you every day, you can be an outsourcing, directly authorised DA business. In other words, you outsource your money management to us, and we look after that. Now there's a middle ground where you can be helped to remain or stay or even move into being a directly authorised business, pay us for services, benefit from the streamlining of that, and that's where we do actually get you to pay us at a very lean cost for those services. So we want to grow. We're at 9 firms at the moment. We want to grow to 20. So that's a significant desire to grow. But what's really interesting is we're very discerning. We think that's still a club of 20 firms where very practically and in a very workable way they'll feel part of us very much still, not part of a great big many hundreds of firm network. Will just be 20. And that's important because we're going to protect a geographical exclusivity in each of the regions. So this is really interesting. So even though regulatory and technically, we are a network, we're anything but. So we're a group of like-minded IFAs, 9 at the moment, will become 20, where we all share in the vision. Other networks lock in people. We don't stop anyone from leaving us. We think they'll love to stay. And it's a premium proposition. We know that in as little as 2 or 3 years' time, there'll be a lucrative exit opportunity for an IFA firm. In fact, every one of the IFAs within our group. And it's also about the economies of scale and keeping costs down and therefore profits up for each of the businesses. And I would just say that if anyone's interested, they can get in touch. What we love to do is get people to come and see us, or we'll come and see them. But if they come and see us, they can look under the bonnet of the Beaufort Group and find out, and we can help achieve their objectives.